Alright, just get your all your natural herbs and things.
Yes, Boma, I am this. I live blessed King Selassie.
Alright, so one way you have.
Well, I have everything there, no, Mama. I have the high cholesterol, high blood pressure, sinus, asthma, muscle pain, joint pain.
Buff being a normal, you know. Jelly man. There, man. Yeah.
Everything nice.
Yeah.
Jelly chip or goat, everything.
Everything nice about
being.
being. Yeah, me G.
What not, you know?
Yeah, people, yeah.
Get him right.
Yeah, because the one in your heart, you see it?
Mad up.
Yeah, spoon can't manage that one.
Yeah, jelly spoon over have can't manage it.
Yeah.
Leave iron spoon over have
Yeah, nah, go manage it. Yeah.
You see me? So
yeah,
we gotta
man.
ox it.
Ox it out, yeah.
Keep it real. Keep it real. Believe me, people. Keep
right.
it real.
I'm
Subscribe. You see me?
Subscribe to Dex Media.
Yeah. Press the look or something.
Alright.
Feed dog and food.
How much?
You don't know the song you can card with you have got next media.
Alright, people, so we are going through this lane now. We call this lane Park Lane. I'm not sure what exact, but a park lane. And see here, right here, so broke with our people. Right here, so they have a nice fence. And then have the fence again, so I don't know what go on. Yo, bro. I don't know what go on for the fence here. The fence here today, so I did it again. The people, Buff Bay Park. Yeah, people, so this is the entrance to the park. Yeah, this is the entrance to the park right here in Buff Bay. See the people? See this sign over there, sort of. That's the home of Portlander Sports Club. Kids them play them football and thing right now. Yeah, so with a park lane. Somebody tell me what this lane name. Come and think of park lane name. You know? Oh, I know a name. It's Dirty West. Yeah, it's Norman Lane. So over here supposed to name Norman Lane. Alright, so you have one exit right here too. Yeah, so you have one lane we go right this one. I have one basic school right here, so my name Liquor Folks Basic School. Right there now. I have one next entrance lane. Alright, that's so then deal with woodworking and thing. Milton. Right over there, so now you have the famous archers. Oh, go on, brother. Yeah, people, this is the famous archers. Archers NTA. Yo. So this is a road. Alright, I'm gonna see how the Jamaican roads them bad though, people. Jamaicans road are the worst. Look at these roads. Come like a bush road this. Alright, I have one wholesale shop right there. Yeah, wholesale shop right here. Yo, bag juice. Yeah, people, so this is the Buff Bay United Church. Alright, so you have one shop right here. Yeah, right here, people. So we're still there, the lane see, you see it. Alright, so we're approaching the Buff Bay Health Center. As you can see them are the whole heap of work on over there. And the whole heap of upgrade. I go on over there. See the people? Buff Bay Health Center. Buff Bay Health Center. Yeah. Right over there. People, Buff Bay Community Hospital. Right here in Buff Bay. Yo, how did my youth? Long time no see you. How you going there? Right, over there so now you have the Buff Bay Police Station, is it? Yeah man, Buff Bay Police Station. Yo, yeah, did my youth. Come in. Get one of them now. Yeah, people. So you see it now, people. Buff Bay and normal, you know. Jelly man. There, man. This is how you're there now, bro. Yeah. Alright, that's what I think. Yeah. So we do it, because we're not lazy, you know, bro. So we make ends meet. Yeah.
Everything nice.
Yeah. Everything nice about Buff Bay. Yeah, my G. Yeah. Hold on, you bust this? Yeah. Everything nice about Buff Bay, you see it? Yeah. Be this new development, because I see them paint up around there, so. Yeah.
Building a build up. Site around and be a thing. Hospital is best.
So business are going for you, brother?
You know, say business is not going bad. You know going bad. You see me?
Yeah, complain, you see it?
No time in the earth, I mean, the eye. You see me? So we have to do so. All of them they were on the road and now try to find something. You see me? Because life is meant for idle. One life we have. If we're not educated and do something now, something we have to do it. You see me? More we are growing, more we are getting older. So we are trying to invest in yourself, some people something. Go and do a little bit. And go and come back, catch up.
Yeah, man. My people, I'm maddest thing this in the people, man. Maddest thing this. Yeah, my G, I eat, man. It's sweet. Oh, not in there.
Good. Something meat.
Hard meat. Yeah.
Hard meat. I don't know if I want to, but.
The hard meat.
Yeah, hard meat. Tough meat. We have coconut, we have jelly, everything, everything nice. Yeah. I'm sorry, that.
Yeah, man, you sound good for the thing, man. Wait, spoon, eh? I eat this.
Happy as the yeah. Hooks in the coconut, you know?
Yeah, people,
Get
yeah.
him right.
Yeah, because the one in your heart, you see it?
hard up.
Yeah, spoon can't manage that one.
Yeah, jelly spoon we have can't manage it.
Yeah.
Navy iron spoon we have
Yeah,
can't
nah,
manage
go
it.
manage it. Yeah.
You see me? So
Yeah,
we gotta
man.
ox it.
Ox it out, yeah.
Keep it real. Keep it real. Believe me, people. Keep it real. Subscribe. You see me?
Subscribe to Dex Media.
Yeah. Press the look or something.
Alright.
Feed dog in food.
How much more? Yeah?
Nothing, but you know. I mean, when I big one, them ask if me want some, you know. I big one did it, and I talk to big one, I talk to
Big up yourself, brother. Alright. Yeah, but it's good, yeah, man, it's really good. Alright, so I'm showing you say one little one eye, one glasses place, the right on the corner. Alright. See people an eye doctor place the right here, so you can come right and get an eye thing. Alright. I see general on the side, that's so we are still top class herbalist, that's it. Right, that's so get all your natural herbs and things.
Yes, Mama, I am this. I live blessed King Selassie.
Alright, so one way you have.
Well, I have everything there, I know, Mama. I have the high cholesterol, high blood pressure, sinus, asthma, muscle pain, joint pain. Take off the liver spot them off of your skin, wingworm, eczema, you know it, arthritis, cancer cell, and many more here. Pull all the tube them to here, Mama.
Yeah.
Any of the woman them with them on the family plan and the tube black up and pull them to here.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, man. It's a good look, man. Forward. Wow. Yeah, you know I'm good. Yeah, I'm here soon. Yeah, man, I'm here soon. Alright. Yeah. I'm in seeing one, man. Alright, blessings, man.
Let's tell you, man. Yeah, your father used to work with pretty old man.
Okay.
As a customer. You never know customer, you know?
No, I'm not sure.
The first time I go see him, customer me see my work with him. Go back and play, go back and cover the road and so. You know, see it? Yeah, man, I know your old man, good man.
Okay.
I'm a virgin man for years, man.
Yeah.
You know, your mother live right in the
Yes, she live right. Yeah, right. Yeah. Alright, respect me, General. Yeah, man. Yeah, alright. Viral, no, man. Viral. Alright, now see our word. Yeah. Alright. Oh, are you cat this though? Oh,
Yeah.
what thing, man? No, normal. Alright, so right here, so you have one little bookshop. Bookshop right here in Buffalo. Nikki, I got to say something today, you know? Alright, so this is the... Oh, I need my youth, yo! Damn it, Gina, my God. Okay, the what? They are going to put it in work, man, that's it. Right here, so you have Soupy restaurant. Right here. Sorry. Oh, go on, get the fan some order, man. Yeah, I do my thing, man.
6 o'clock there.
Alright, yeah, 6 off. So you shop the right as well. Feed and shop the right as well. Unless they have a car garage. Welding shop. Alright, yeah, the body stink on the farm. Alright, brother. Jings wholesale. It used to be Lasco shop. Some white people used to own it, but Chinese people own it now. What going on? I know we can't believe what happened to your boy, man. We can't believe it, I tell you, man. In the good funeral. Yeah. Yeah, and then that just happened, so right after the funeral in gone. Yeah, nobody don't know them destiny, man. Yeah. Yeah, the same time, man. I just your time. Yeah, nobody can grow on it. Yeah, man. Yeah, say off. So I got still, man. Yeah, take it easy though. Alright, so this is a Chinese supermarket. Chinese people own it now, still as it. Used to be Lasco. Back then, it used to be Lasco. That lane here, leader. This thing must be called Norman Lane, yeah, Norman Lane. A Toon Lane and Norman Lane. They have one over there to name Norman. One right over the corner there. That one little bar there, right, so. Yeah. Yeah, so a place I develop good above it. No, I'm not ready yet. Alright, so we're there at the Shoppers Price supermarket. Let's see what's going on. Right over there's a Shoppers Price there. Everything convenient at Shoppers Price. You have an ATM, you have parking spot. Everything there over here. See birds in there. Clear out the box. Up my G. Right here, so you have the ATM. With this thing, look like I want like a junkyard. You can get the car parts. If your car crash, you can get parts. See here. See that famous Shoppers spread. Right down the bay. I will go to there, so. No, sir. I'll go to come and Shoppers spread, go shopping. The people, Shoppers Spread supermarket. Alright, right over there, so yeah, you have a bar them. Yeah, bar them over there. Bar and restaurant over there. Right over there, so cash spot shop. Your gambling shop over there. Right here, so now should be the famous Buff Bay market. But the market collapsed. I don't know what happened to this market. Yeah, not active again. See there, right? It's a Buff Bay market there. Yo. Alright, people. Buff Bay market stay away though in a bad condition. Alright, so we'll go over that side here. Go right over the side here and see what go on. Remember, so we are Buff Bay same here. Yeah, this is the next gas station at Buff Bay. Yeah man, bad gas station. Mr. Brown. New and improved. Oh! Alright people, so we at the liquor Iron King, what they call? What they call over here, my general? Over here name? What the plaza name? What the plaza name? You not sure? Eh? Browns Plaza, yeah. So we are Browns Plaza now people, you see? Browns Plaza, so I'm going to tour Browns Plaza and show them how I go. I'm going to start by downstairs and then I go upstairs. No, as a matter of fact, I go upstairs, I go all the way up, and then I come all the way down. So let's go upstairs first. To the end there. Also, actually, if I go to the end here then. Alright, here's the ID office. Alright, so you have the electoral office of Jamaica right here. Right, so you did have one bar we named Iron King Bar, but no bar in there again. This is the Browns Plaza. Right here you have a photo studio, MKS. So that's it for upstairs. Yeah, not much things up there. Right here, so we have a... How do you write this at times? Construction office. Okay. Right here, so now you have the One Rack Liquor Entertainment Supply. If you never watched the last video, yeah, I posted a video about here, so you can check it out. After you watch this one, it will be in the end screen.